Here's how I made a DIY Snorri rig that was used in one of Nike's Play New campaign videos. To give some context, 2 days before the shoot, I was asked by the director if a SnorriCam shot was possible in this production. Now, this sort of shot has been used in a lot of movies over the years, but essentially is a subject-facing POV shot that is connected to the point of interest. Now, unfortunately, I was already scheduled to gaff and grip the next 2 days on separate productions, so I only had the afternoon to whip up this rig. What I had on hand was a ball head, light wall mount fixture, 2 ratchet straps, a piece of wood, and a pool noodle. Now, these were definitely not the highest quality of materials, but I knew it was going to get the job done. The main thing keeping this all together was a piece of wood, and that connected the ratchet straps as well as the light fixture together. I traced the mounting holes of the plate to the piece of wood, and then I cut slots on either side of the wood so I could thread the straps through. I tested the strapping on myself and I realized that I would need some sort of padding. I used a pool noodle just cut in half and surprisingly worked pretty well. To mount the camera, I used a simple photo tripod ball head and I screwed it into the end of the spigot on the light fixture frame. For the actual shoot, I used a Sony a7S III with an RE Ultra Prime 32mm lens using a PL mount adapter. As the lens is more expensive and also as heavy as the camera, I was pretty scared that this rig might fail. So when we were getting the shots with this rig, I just stood behind the camera and just ensured if anything were to happen, I would be able to catch it. I was super impressed with the results and it added a lot of interesting shots into the final product. Now, I know this isn't the sturdiest thing in the world, but the client was super happy and the director was more than thrilled with the shots. If you're wondering how we got the spray can shot, we just put a plastic bag over the lens and the camera, and then we just directed the talent to actually spray over the lens during the shoot. I was super stressed about this part because the lens is super expensive, but in the end, it was totally worth it. I really enjoy making camera rigs as well as putting cameras where they don't necessarily belong because I see them as problem-solving tasks, which I really enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you to get the shots you need with whatever materials you have.